And the reason why I'm comfortable is because I've been putting in the work of creating content over these years. I'm focused on my business goals, my financial goals, and where I want to be. And the only thing that's going to get me there is one thing: creating content. I can take content from 2 years ago that I created and I can turn it into a new piece of content today. Once you have so much content out there, now you can start reusing, recycling that content. Not only reusing and recycling to other platforms, you can start studying which content of yours gets more people. Now you start duplicating that content. You start mass producing that content. Now have the diamond plaque. Like, this is how you actually get it. Creating the content. Don't focus on everything else. Just focus on the simplest thing first, which is creating content. And so I hope this gave you some value. If you're having a hard time with creating content and things like that, just shoot me a message, man. Like, I'm very helpful. I don't mind talking to people. We can dive into your interests and start peeling back like layers of an onion and start seeing what type of content may be up your wheelhouse. Like I tell people, if you're someone who's big into music, you need to be talking about music on a daily basis. If you're someone who's real big into TV shows, you need to be giving recaps of those TV shows. If you're someone like me who likes to walk around, travel different countries, you need to be filming and documenting that. If you're a foodie, you need to document your food, document restaurants, highlight places. And as you keep doing